About this item: Cherry Blossom Multifunction Cleaner Kit. All-in-one laptop and earbuds cleaning tool including AirPod cleaner pen with silicone nip, plastic nip, flocking sponge, and brush. Screen cleaner solution spray. High-density retractable keyboard brush with the true super microfiber fiber cloth, key puller, and soft plush glasses. Clean cloth pencil double head foldable cleaning pen for AirPod and earbuds. Silicone and plastic nib clean that sticky and tough dirt hidden between crack and hole. Flush brush. Cleans the dust sticks on acoustic mesh, shallow holes, and crack. Charging hole cleaning brush. Clean the dust and dirt hidden in those deep holes that you can't reach out with fingers. Desktop computer screen cleaner mist and microfiber fiber cloth for electronics. They are cleaning, disinfecting, anti-static, and degreasing. Easy to remove the oil and fingerprint for the screen of cell phone, tablet, PC, laptop, indicator, TV, the glass of eyeglasses, and the lens and camera. Keyboard retractable brush and key remover for clean keyboard. Keycap. Replacing keycaps and cleaning the bottom of the keyboard is no hassle with the simple key puller.